how to turn off personalization within Wallet in Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off personalization within Wallet in Google Wallet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the Google Wallet, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. So from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as your data in wallet. So simply tap on that. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can see the option labeled as manage passes data. So simply tap on it, and there you can see the option labeled as personalization within wallet. So simply toggle off that option, and that's it. That's how you can turn off personalization within Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated with more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.